To open a Google Play Console developer account, first you need to go to the Google Play Console. Here you have to choose if you want to open an account as an organization or for yourself as personal. If you choose organization, you must have legal documents related to that organization. Now we are going to open a personal developer account for this tutorial. So let's click on Get Started under your Self section. Here are the things that you will need to open a Google Play developer account. Also, Google will charge a one-time $25 to create the developer account. In this account, you will be able to publish unlimited apps. Next, enter a name for your developer account. Now you will need a payment profile using which Google will charge your card. I have already created one, so choosing my payment profile. In your case, you may need to create a new payment profile first. Now let's enter the developer email address. If you use the same email address of your Google account, then you won't need to verify again. Finally, agree to the acknowledgement and click the Next button. Now share some of your experience regarding Play Console and Android. Also mention if you have used any other Play Console account or not. If you have a website, you can enter the address here, otherwise, select that you don't have a website now. In the next page, choose how many apps you are willing to publish and do you have intention to earn money from Google Play or not. Also, the categories of app which you like to publish. Remember, these are only some survey questions and not to worry about them really. Now let's quickly enter the contact details using which Google can contact us if needed. Finally, agree to all of the terms and pay to create the account. I've entered my card information and going to buy quickly. Great. The Google Play developer account is created, and let's navigate to the Play Console. Let's first verify that we have an Android device, which is required to start using the Play Console. Scan the QR code and install Google Play Console app in your Android phone. Then open the app and sign in with the developer account email address. We just did it, and now you can see that the Android device verification requirement is gone. Now let's complete the identity verification step. Complete the verification using one of the available documents listed here. We are quickly verifying using our government-issued national ID card. Now the verification is in progress, and it can take 7 to 10 business days by Google to complete the verification. But you don't have to wait. You can start creating your first Android app from now.